Oftentimes we New Yorkers ride the subway and we encounter a foul odor. Okay, we go in and we're almost gagging over a foul stench. And this usually is the smell of a homeless person, okay? Now, this might be unpleasant. This might make us want to vomit. But when you walk inside, don't do this. Don't do this. You do not know what that person has been through. You don't know why they're homeless. And what you're doing is incredibly disrespectful, self-entitled, and snobby. So just do this. Breathe out of your fucking mouth. And don't disrespect a human being. Fuck you.